I'm excited to introduce you to reality computing. You may be familiar with reality capture, which is when you bring point cloud data into your design project. Reality computing lets you work with that data directly inside AutoCAD 2015. Performance and visualization have been vastly improved to the state where the point cloud is the model. The point cloud now behaves just like any other design element inside AutoCAD with the same flexibility and control. Here's a point cloud of an existing shop floor. We can immerse ourselves in this scan and decide what modifications or remodeling we'd like to do. In AutoCAD 2015, we've added new tools that let you model from the point cloud. You can see the cursor recognizing the faces of the walls, floors, columns, and really anything else in the scan as it reorients itself to these various surfaces. In this case, we'll add a new lighting fixture to the area. Notice how this fixture snaps to the point cloud, another new feature in AutoCAD 2015. From within AutoCAD, we can easily experiment with different locations for the fixtures, and since we have a highly accurate point cloud, we can specify with millimeter accuracy where we want that new lighting fixture installed. In the same way, we can place new pieces of equipment into the design and explore ideas about space planning or improving shop efficiency. Aerial scans are becoming more and more common. Most of these scans also include GPS coordinates. We can use these coordinates to place aerial scans in a location in AutoCAD that reflects an exact real-world location. If geolocation data is present, the scan just shows up where it should without any more work from you. Here we're looking at an archaeological feature in the middle of Ohio. Using our geolocation feature, we can bring in a map of the location and then overlay the point cloud in exactly the correct position. Jumpstart your design workflow with reality computing and do more with point clouds than you've ever imagined.